Hello guys. Yeah, hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. Yep. Um, we are back today to trade. So, but let me share the link with our free Telegram students and on my Instagram so that you can come and follow us right there as well, right? So let me go there and do that right now, because that way you'll be able to come and join us live and direct as well. Okay, so I just sent it. So in just a few seconds, guys, they will come and join us, So let me see. So yeah, how you guys doing? Link doesn't work. Oh, but it's live, man. It does. Yeah, somebody is saying that link doesn't work, but actually we are live, right? Okay. Link doesn't work. So yeah, guys, how you guys doing? It's live, man. It does. All right. All right. So yeah, the main purpose of us coming today live on YouTube is just for us to trade and see what exactly is happening in the market, right? Because you all know that today is Easter Monday, so there is a lot of things happening right now in the market. So right now, I'm seeing Euro JPY is gonna go down for a sell, guys. So this is one of the pair I'm looking in for the week, right? So I'm seeing that Euro JPY is gonna go down for like 110 pips. So let's say on average 100 pips, right? So that's what I'm seeing on Euro JPY. So before we start, guys, let me just introduce us to today's sponsor of the video, which is Trader Central. So Trader Central is a funding ecosystem that fund retail traders, right? So if you are a trader that is kind of funding is your challenge and stuff like that, you can go to Trader Central. So this is their funding page. You can see on your first plan you get about 30% discounts. So, and also they are very, very, very good, guys. Their support is very responsive, and you can see that their fee is just nothing, just $55 for 10,000 accounts. So you can see compared to other funding programs, so Trader Central is the way to go, guys. And with Trader Central, they have a lot of things that they offer, like portfolio tracker, trade copy, where you place your trade, where you place a trade on your account, and it automatically copies it to another person's account, right? So they have lots of benefits to offer you guys. So they are the one that sponsored today's video. So you just go and check them out, and that's it about Trader Central, right? So guys, as I was saying, I'm seeing that Euro JPY is gonna go down for a sell for like 100 pips. So that's what I'm just seeing right now on this particular pair. So yeah, somebody's saying that okay, works now, works good, bro. All right, that's good, that's good. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good, man. All right, let's get it, bro. Hi Israel, hi Godfrey, how you doing? Hope you good. Don't forget to smash the like button though. So it's very, very important. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, Euro JPY, I'm seeing Euro JPY is gonna go down for a sell for like 100 pips, guys. 100 pips. And also just a reminder, guys, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just send it down in the live chat section, or you just write it out. So you can just tell me, hey Israel, can you check this particular pair for me, and I will gladly do that. So you just have to write it down in the live chat section, right? So that I'll be able to see it, right? Okay. You're welcome everyone on board. So that's that. Like I was saying, Euro JPY is gonna go down for a sell, guys. So let's try to set our take profit, which is gonna be the first take profit, second take profit, and things like that. So let me try to put my short position right here, right? As you guys can see, that is breaking out of this out of our trend line. So that's an indication for us to know that the market is ready to go down to the downside. But let me set, in fact, I might sell this trade right now, guys, because I'm seeing that the market gave me some sort of candlestick pattern. If you know how I trade with candlestick patterns, right? You guys can see right here, I had this candle, which is which one I refer as a pin bar, right? This candle right here, it is a pin bar. You can see this. The next candle is is bearish, right? And of course, this very candle that we see right here is some sort of a evening star formation, but it's not a valid evening star. This is the valid evening star right here. But with this particular candle, which is a pin bar, it validates that the market will go down to the downside shortly, because you can see first touch, second touch, touch of quadruple, and fifth touch. We had about fifth touch right here trying to push back to the upside, but it's not able to break out of this structure. So that's an indication for you guys to know that this is a resistance level, right? Okay. Somebody is saying that JK said, let's get it, bro. How y'all doing? Hope you good. Nice to see you guys today. Nice to see you guys. So we are back on live streams, guys. So we are going to continue like almost every day. Let's just say every day. We are going to be doing the live stream every day. So yeah, Rega is saying that I am in trade since Friday. Okay, that's good, man. That's good. So that's what I'm saying on EJ. EJ is gonna go down to the downside, guys. So yeah, let's go down to smaller time frame and see what's going on here. Okay, so yep, let me just wait for this 5 minutes candle to close before I get into this trade. But let me just go down here, set my first take profit, second take profit, and things like that, guys. Remember, today is Easter Monday, so there is nothing much is gonna happen on each trade that you are getting in. So we have to be careful, guys. So our stop loss is going to be above this structure, because this is a daily time frame resistance area. Once this particular zone is broken, definitely the market is going to go back up to the upside, guys. So the first take profit is going to be for 30 pips. So that's where 30 pips is right here, right? Then let's go down and say another one, so that to give us a second take profit. So 136.772. That's going to be the entry point, 772. Okay, so 772, and this is gonna be for 50 pips, guys. It's gonna be for 50 pips, which is gonna be our second take profit. Since we already know that overall we are looking for about 100 pips on this, so 137.274. 274. Yep. So we did not get in yet, but I'm just getting ready, right? Nope. Control Z. So yeah, you guys should just hold on. Let me set everything up so that we can have everything set up in order for us to continue. 36772. 772. So yeah, this is gonna be the final take profit, which is 100 pips, right? You all can see 100 pips. So 274. Okay, guys. So this is it. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'll go down to the 5 minute time frame. Let's see, guys, and if we are going to be able to see any entry points to get in for this. And okay, Oh yeah. Okay, it's pretty good, not bad. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to get in on this trade. So I'm selling euro JPY, euro JPY. Where is it? Trying to execute it on my account, guys. Mm. So you can see it is at our entry point, right? So now I'm about to get into this trade. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, so yeah, this is not a valid move to the upside, guys. So boom, I just sold the trade. I sold euro JPY, guys. So my entry point is 136.771. That you can see here is 136.772. So it's almost the same. Yup. So that's it, man. And right now I'm officially in euro JPY, guys. Despite the fact that the market is, we're having instant Monday, but definitely this particular trade is going to go down to the downside. Though the market is slow, guys, but you know it's going to go down to the downside. So let me update some of our students before I go ahead. You think BDC will sell more? Yeah, for sure, man. If you check my updates, the one I did on my on this channel, I think I did a video some while back. Let's see. You can see when I say that Bitcoin is going to sell, right? And I warned you guys. And somebody was saying, why giving out a warning whereby you don't trade Bitcoin, right? I was just trying to update you guys. Some of you trade Bitcoin. That's why I did this analysis. Let's go down to my YouTube channel so that you guys can just see when I did the analysis and things like that on Bitcoin, right? So I'm just trying to like update you guys what is happening and things like that. Very, very important. So let's see what we have on my YouTube channel. I just want to like make you guys understand something here, because when I did do analysis or whatsoever, it mustn't be for me, or I must not be trading that particular pair that I'm doing the analysis on, right? But I see somebody was saying, hey Israel, why just wanting people that Bitcoin? See, when I did the update, I think, yeah, 10 days ago, I think Bitcoin by then it was around 44,000 thereabout, but I don't know. Let's try and see. So you guys can see it is my channel, right? So that you guys will not say, hey Israel, it's not your channel, it's not your video, and things like that. So I know a lot of you guys, oh, I don't know if this one is my face or not. Although, guys, I think my network is kind of bad. That's why. But let's go straight to where. So you guys can see when I did the analysis. So Bitcoin was around 44,000. Yeah, it was around 44,000 by then, guys. So right now, how much is Bitcoin? Bitcoin price is about, it's about 39,000. So you can see the difference. So, and of course, I'm seeing that Bitcoin will have to go down to this 34,000, and if care is not taken, it will even go down to 30,000, guys. But right now, expect Bitcoin to come down to 34,000. That is the truth about Bitcoin. So yeah, that's just what I have for Bitcoin. It will still push down more. So let me go down and update you guys. So yeah, that's it. This was when I did the analysis, guys. You can see it right here on my YouTube channel. I uploaded it on April 7th of April 2022. So you guys know that today is 18th, so like 11 days ago, right? And of course you can see that Bitcoin had been pushing to the downside. So that's just the reason why I did the analysis on Bitcoin, guys. So let's go down to our Euro JPY and see what exactly is happening right now. So you all can see, if you come down here, Euro JPY is trying to make a move like this, but it's gonna sell, guys. Definitely it's going to sell, so no panic, don't panic. So minus how many pips now is this? Yep, -5 pips, so it's all good. I know, guys, it's gonna go down to the downside, no panicking. because once you reach this level, boom, it's going to push down. So let's try and wait for that. And also, I have to tell everybody in the premium group channel, free Telegram channel, that this is what I'm in, so that it will not be as if I'm just trying to trade and things like that, right? Around price 136.772. That's my entry point. And of course, if you are not in our free Telegram channel, you can just go there and be there, guys. So yeah, that's it. I just updated you guys about that in our free Telegram channel and the premium and VIPs. So that's that. And of course, I will set stop loss take profit right here. And of course, guys, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze, don't don't just hesitate to send it in the live chat section. So okay, let me read what you guys are saying. I am in the trade since Friday. Okay, I read that. In USD card, NZD USD, and GBP USD. Okay, that's good. You think BTC will sell more? Yeah, for sure, man. BTC will sell more. So I'm seeing Bitcoin is going to go down to 34,000 first before it will go down to 30,000, right? Then Regan Moss is saying that USD card buy, NZD sell, GBP sell. Yeah, for sure. USD card is going to buy, guys. USD is going to be strong to continue to buy, right? So yeah, USD card is going to go up to the upside. And also, that's why I'm even selling Euro JPY. So if K is not taken, USD, Euro USD, we might see a sell right there as well, guys. Euro USD, where is Euro USD? Euro USD, we might see a sell. Okay, you guys are seeing it, right? Euro USD is going to push down to the downside continuously, guys. It's going to continue to push to the downside. You guys can see it right here. But let's see whatever that is going to happen in the meantime, right? All I know is we just sold Euro JPY, and this is my first trade of the week, guys. I'm not in any trade, so this is my first trade of the week. And remember, I did this analysis since yesterday, so I don't just think, okay, Israel just coming in and you just sold this market and things like that. I didn't sell it just now. I did not do the analysis just now. I had it in mind since yesterday, so I was just waiting for the perfect time to get into the market. So you can see I just got in right here. Of course, the market will still push back down to the downside. This is just some sort of a retracement to the upside, guys. But if it breaks out of this structure, definitely I'll be like, what's going on here, But it is what it is, guys. We have to experience some drawdowns and things like that at times in the market. It's very necessary. So don't just be making excuses or whatsoever. Drawdown will have to happen. It's not every time that you just be expecting a trade to get into a profit and things like that. It's not every time, right? So at times we experience some drawdown as well. So that's just it. So you guys can see right now it's trying to come down to our entry point. So let's see what is going to happen, right? And of course, guys, if you did not give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, and also subscribe to the channel. Very, very important, guys. So yeah, somebody is saying, okay, Emmanuel Monday, okay, don't think so. Okay, hi boss, let's analyze CJ. Which one is it? CAD JPY or CHF JPY? CJ CAD JPY is there, CHF JPY is also there. So which one are you referring to? Just let me know which one are you referring to, so I can just analyze it, right? Okay, Higgins is saying that XAUUSD. All right, let's go down and check XAUUSD. But just a quick reminder, guys, I'm in Euro JPY. I just sold Euro JPY, but let me just write out some stuffs here. Let me just mark out first take profit, second take profit, and things like that. So this is first TP, and it is for 30 pips, because I measured that right in front of you all. So this is second TP, and is for 50 pips, right? Then final TP, or let's say third TP or final TP, right? So this is for 100 pips, or let's just say final TP, third or final TP. So you all can see this. So it's just an idea to have, like it's just an should I say hint? Excuse me. It's just for you to know what my target is and things like that on this particular pair, guys. So that's 100 pips, and it's going to be my final take profit, right? So let me just I like to keep things clean, guys, and say this is Israel the trader. I see that different people, they are just trying to take my analysis and claim that it's theirs, things like that. So in order for me to avoid that, I just like to just put a watermark like this and say this is Israel the trader analysis, things like that. So no matter how it is, they will not be able to copy it and stuff like that. So you see that. Then the next thing for me now is for me to just go and screenshot this, so I can show you all later if the market move in our direction, right? And of course, even if it did not move in our direction, I will still have it. So I just copied it so that I can just share with our students. Let me just send it to our Telegram channels. Very, very important, guys. So yeah, I just sent it. Okay, that's good. After that, let's go down to check on the XAUUSD, because one of our viewer said we should check out for that, right? Okay, XAUUSD, guys, like I said yesterday, if you guys attended yesterday's live stream, definitely I said something like this, that right here, this is where the market is going to push back up to the upside. And right now, guys, it is the right time for you to buy XAUUSD. Let me just try to check out yesterday's live stream so that you guys can know. I did this analysis yesterday, so I was not actually active. You can see this is my channel. So, and yesterday, I think, was it this? I think it's somewhere right here or something like that. I don't know. And of course, don't skip out, guys. I'm just trying to skip out based on, I want to show you guys something, right? I don't know if I'll be able to like spot out where I did this XAUUSD analysis, or was it on this thing with students? So this was EuroJPY when I was doing the analysis, guys. I don't know if it's when I was doing the analysis with our premium students. Just hold on, guys. Try to figure out something. Okay, that's not it. This is okay. That was GBP USD. GBP USD is two. Which one is this? This is GBP JPY. What about this? Still GBP JPY. Trying to look out for something, guys. Let me just mark up when I did the analysis on XAUUSD so that I'm trying to highlight something out here, that all of this live stream that we are doing is not in vain, guys. If you know what you are doing, you can grab out a lot of things. Trying to check out when I did the analysis. Okay, this was Euro NZD. Where is XAUUSD, for Christ's sake? I know that I did the analysis yesterday, guys. Just hold on. Just bear with me. Okay, so this is XAUUSD when I was doing the analysis. You guys can see it right on the screen, right? XAUUSD. So you guys can see when I did the analysis, if you go back and watch this, you definitely get to know, see where the market was. It was around price 1973.395. You can see that I said that the market is going to push back up to the upside and break out of this my rectangle line that I just did, just that I was not, I did not trade today, so that's why I did not even get into this XAUSD trade and things like that. So that's one of the reasons why I say, if you guys are actually attending these live streams and things like that, you definitely find so many things interesting, guys. You can see XAUSD analysis when I did it, and I say that this particular pair is going to go back up to the upside. You can see it right here. I say it's going to push to the upside, and what happened? Boom, push back to the upside right now. If you go and check XAUSD, so let's go down to where XAUSD right now is. You can see it. So right here, guys, if you want to buy it, you can buy it, but me, I'm not getting in on XAUSD. It's gonna push back up to the upside, guys, to this point. Remember when I did the analysis yesterday, it was right here. That was where the market is, and I said that it's going to push back up to the upside. So you guys can see that if you attend these live streams, is very, very good. Okay, so now what is happening? The market break out of this particular structure and came back down for retracement. So right now, this is what is going to happen, guys. As it came down, boom, it's going to push back up to the upside. So this is going to be the next target, which is around 2008.436. 2008.436. That's your final target on XAUSD right now, guys. So that's what I'm saying on XAUSD. So yeah, that's just it. And what's the next? Okay, the next pair that we are having here is Euro AUD, and also we are having NZD CHF. So I will check out on Euro AUD first, then we go down to NZD CHF. But I would like to ask, if the person that asked about this XAUSD, do you have any question before we proceed? Any question on that? And also, guys, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that right now and follow us on our Instagram page, follow us on Telegram, follow us on Twitter, and also, most importantly, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel as well. Very, very important. That's how you motivate us to do more of these things that we are doing right here on YouTube. Very, very important. So yeah, do you have any question on this XAUSD analysis before we go down to check out what's happening on Euro AUD? Any question, you can just let me know down in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it. Then if there's question, I would like to just answer your question. But if you don't have any question, then we'll call it a day. And that's just what I see on XAUSD. So let's go down to Euro JPY. Okay, so you can see Euro JPY, our trade is now in profit. So is in profit of how many pips is this? Let me try to do it. So how many pips is this? I believe it's not going to be much, guys. Yeah, it's just 3 pips. So positive 3 pips, guys, is still quite okay, right? Not quite okay, by the way, but let's see what is going to happen in the next few hours. So let's go down and check what's happening on Euro AUD. Or you have question about XAUSD? You can let me know if you have question about XAUUSD, right? With that being said, let's go down and check Euro AUD. That's the next pair that we have on the table. Euro AUD, that GBP AUD. Where is Euro AUD for crying out loud? Euro AUD. Am I seeing at all? Okay. So this is Euro AUD, guys. Yeah, Euro AUD as well. I'm seeing that it's going to sell as well. It's going to sell, but let me do the analysis. I've not done analysis on these guys, so that's why I had to go back on my daily time frame to mark out my support and resistance. That's how I usually do, guys. I put support and resistance on the daily time frame, go down to smaller time frames and things like that to do more, right? So right here, what do you guys see? I see some support and resistance, right? Um, let's see. Okay, somebody is saying that CHFJPY. Okay, I will try to do CHFJPY. Then what's your stop loss? Bashir. Okay, what are you saying about the XAUSD, or which one are you talking about? I don't actually know, so you just let me know which one are you talking about. So before you type that, let me just check Euro AUD and see what's going on here. So let's start by putting our support and resistance, right? And remember, guys, I only have 1 hour to spend here. I'm not going to spend like crazy amount of time. So that's it. Let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, guys, so support and resistance first, the major ones, right? So these are the three major support and resistance I see on the daily time frame. So let me go down to 4 hour time frame to see what exactly is happening. So I'll just be interested within this area. Within this area, that's where I'm going to be interested in on this 4 hour time frame. So I have to change the color to 4 hour time frame color. Then I'm seeing another one here and another one here. So boom, let me go down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you guys can see on the 1 hour time frame, oh my goodness, this is what I'm seeing. The market is going to push down to the downside, guys. Let me just adjust this to this point, lock it. So now wait for this candle to be closed, then boom, what I'm saying is it's going to push back down to this point. This is a ranging market, guys. So the next move is going to push down to the downside. Remember, it's kind of giving us triple top formation within this area. So let me just mark something out. Within this area, guys, I'm seeing some triple top formation. So once it breaks out of this structure here, definitely it's going to go down to the downside. So once it breaks out, and I'm seeing some sort of candlestick pattern formation here is being formed. So that's one of the reasons why I say that this particular pair is going to go down to the downside, right? So if you measure that, it's going to be like 150 pips. So you're going to be risking around 50 pips, yeah? Because your stop loss is going to be above this structure. Because whenever time the market breaks out of this structure, definitely it's going to go back up to the next resistance, which is this point around price 1.49249, right? So you have to place your stop loss slightly above these particular zones or this particular resistance area, right? So it is very important for you to do that as well. Very important. So yeah, I'm seeing that the market will push down to the downside for like 150 pips move, and you will be risking about 50 pips. So that's what I'm seeing on Euro AUD. So just that I'm already in Euro JPY. If not, I could have sell Euro AUD as well, because you guys know that I only take about 1 to 3 trade in a day. So I don't want to exceed more than 3 trade a day, because 3 is the maximum and 1 is the least. So despite the fact that today is Easter Monday, I'm still on it, right? So yeah, do you have any question about Euro AUD analysis? If you have any question, you can just let me know. Say, hey Israel, I don't actually understand this or understand that, and so on and so forth, so that I can just help you understand or explain it much more better in such a way that you'll be able to understand what I'm saying, right? Because it is very important. And also, guys, if you have any question or any pair that you want me to analyze, you can just say, hey Israel, check out this particular pair for me, and I will gladly do that, right? That's the reason why we are here live and direct on YouTube. So that's very important, guys. So all right, so now Emmanuel is saying that we should check out CHFJPY, so we'll go down and check CHFJPY. So yeah, Bashir was saying, what's your stop loss? So I don't know which particular pair you are telling me that what's my stop loss. You have to be specific, guys, so that I can just easily understand what you are typing, right? So Nicholas is saying that V75, please, the analysis is the same. Could you please give the best strategy? My strategy is just based on what is it call it? Technical. Oh my goodness. My strategy is based on price action and naked chart. That's what I was just wanted to say. I'm a price action and naked chart trader, meaning that I don't trade with indicators and I use a lot of candlestick patterns, and also I use naked chart, meaning that I respect the fact that the market is making a move like higher, 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 low, lower, low, lower, high, and stuff like that. So I trade based on market structures as well. I trade based on market structures. So, the next thing that we are going to be checking now is what we refer as CHFJPY, right? So let's go down and check CHFJPY before we go down and check volatility 75, which is V75, right? And of course, I trade V75 as well. That trade is very profitable, but at the same time, your account can just blow up in just a few minutes or a few seconds, right? Because that's what is happening. And also, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, join our free Telegram channel, follow us on our Instagram page, and so on and so forth. You can see right there on the screen. You can just search our names and things like that right there. All right, guys. So let's go down and check what we refer as CHFJPY. Since we don't have any question right there, right? So CHFJPY is here, and you guys know that I did the analysis as well, because almost every pair, guys, I have analysis on them. So you guys remember, I think this was day before yesterday or something like that, when I did live stream as well. I made mention of this particular pair being CHFJPY. So CHFJPY as well is going to go down to the downside, guys. So it's gonna go down to the downside. You can see I still have my analysis here, and my bias was the market will be ready to go down to the downside right where you see this move, right? So now the market will push down to this point. Then after it breaks out of that, this is going to be the next target. So this is gonna be how many pips? This is going to be like 70 pips. Let's say 75 pips. You have to be risking like 30 pips. You'll be risking like 30 pips, and down here is going to be like 135 pips. So let's see what is going to happen, guys. Definitely I'm seeing that CHFJPY2 is going to sell. Since I already have my analysis, you can see I still have the analysis on you guys, so no need for me to stress myself and be doing another analysis and things like that. So that's it. So okay, somebody is saying, which is Bashir. Bashir is saying that your stop loss in Euro JPY is way too big compared to the 30 pips. TP1, kindly explain. Take profit 1 or first TP is not actually the main target. Let me just explain something to you all. That's not the main target, bro. Because remember, I only go for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. 1 to 2 risk ratio is the least I go for. And if you check here, is you are seeing 2.1, 2.1, right? So meaning that this trade, it is 1 to 2.1 risk to reward ratio, because it's the least I go for. So this first take profit, it will help you to just lock in your profit and trail your stop loss. This is not, I don't consider this as the final. See, this is the final take profit here. So this one, you are not comparing it with the stop loss. This 100 pips take profit is the one that you compare with your stop loss, not this one. This one will just help you to trail your stop loss. So if this particular market come down and hit our first take profit, what I expect you to do is minus 30 pips from these 50 pips. So you now put your stop loss at 20 pips. Then when you have your 50 pips take profit hit, then which is the second take profit, then you bring down your stop loss to break even. You bring down your stop loss to break even, and if the market continue to push down to the downside, then your final take profit is going to be triggered. So the first take profit and second take profit is not the main target. You guys are supposed to know that. Just take note of that. Take note of that. First